You guys, welcome back. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are having fun. Anyway, I need to talk one or two on this thing. I pray Olivia come across this video, and at the same time I will still tag her. Okay, so what I want to talk, when something is just like that, where you just leave it and it will just be like that, and at the same time it will turn to tradition, and many of that tradition is not fair and it's not good. We should know as a human being. So that's why I'm doing this video today regarding this type of issue. So one thing is that, just to say, I respect and at the same time I accept Olivia's content and I love it. Okay, if I should say one or two things that inspire me over here on Facebook, I will proudly say is Olivia. Okay, I will proudly say what Olivia motivates me. Ever since I created my platform, I used to do my normal activity, going out, video, doing one or two things, video. I just decided that time to be keeping it separate. I even created a platform for it. Okay, until they started giving me issue. That is how I just forget everything about it. So moving on now, I said okay, maybe I see Olivia making her hair, maybe she's still doing her lifestyle, everything together. I was like, oh, why can't I just continue like this instead of me creating this platform here, doing this platform there? For those people that really know me, that follow me as family, they will know that every other platform that I have, who actually want to eat watermelon, I've already do what? I'm not posting anything over there since I started dropping everything that concerns me on Lady B Kitchen here. So what I do before is that I will take my lifestyle content, put it on other platform, then focus everything about this platform, putting it only my recipe, that is my cooking video. But at the time, it started giving me issue. I started having issue of monetization then. So after everything, I just have to leave it, and before I just conclude of keeping everything over here. So that is why I can say that Olivia is one of the person that I will say that it motivates me, because I still hear that okay, she's making hair, and now she's still dropping her what they call it, her lifestyle on the same place. I ask myself, why can't be cooking food? Maybe if I have anything that I record like this regarding my family, I can still post it here. So I will say yes, she motivates me in those areas. So now, what I say has become culture, and when you don't address it, it will become culture. Olivia, you can tell the truth that you are seeing what your fans are doing to other content creators on this social media, like this Facebook we are. My sister, we all are one. In case you see this video, we all are what? We are one. Followers, we said, is a number, and we all want to have that number, Abby. But apart from all this, we are sisters, we are one, we are human beings. And as a content creators, we are still one. Maybe all of us can just have opportunity of meeting each of us one day. That makes us one. Everybody is a viewer. It doesn't mean that because you are the one creating content, you are a viewer. No. Even me here, I'm a viewer. I view people that I love. Okay, that's why I'm still a viewer. There is nobody left out on this. So now, Olivia, you have to address your viewers, that is your fans. Let them stop comparing other content creators with you. Okay, when you see them doing all these things, because many people still do video regarding it. Maybe if you go comment section, I like even my own, it's just many like that. Your fans are really dragging people every day. Your fans are dragging people every day. They are giving people a whole lot of comments that are not supposed to come out for human being. They are insulting people so much. Some even is doing it as video. Some people are doing it as comments. But it's too much, my sister. We all are one. Okay? We all are one. And we all are viewers. We are creating content doesn't mean we are not viewers. You may be seeing my video, you may be watching me, you may see one or two things I do that you like. You may add it to your own. It doesn't mean you copy me, because you love it. That is why you do it. I may see what you do, okay, I love it. That's why I do it. Make them stop making it look as if other content creators are not doing their own thing. You understand? Let them to stop making it look as if other content creators are not doing their own thing. You got that? So that is just it, my sister. So if you see this video, good and fine. And if you touch your heart to address your fans, please do it. It really matters. Okay, we love your content, we watch you. Even me, I watch you. If I see what you do that I love it, I want to do, I will do it. And I know other people, even you, if you are watching my video, you see whatever I do that you love it, you can do it. But when we put all this comparison, maybe you see wetin I do now, tomorrow now you wan go do am. But when you come say, if I do another, the fit say na the bit don't do this thing, no, I no go come do am. So what does it sound? How does it make you do? How does it make you feel? No be one person dey cook egusi soup. No be one person dey cook ogbono soup. If you see say person cook egusi soup, you wan draw your ogbono soup will draw well. You wan come cook your own, make it draw well. No, you no copy the person, you like it. You not supposed to dey like that if you address it now. I made a video yesterday talking about my Indian app because I live in India. Talking about Indian mojo, what they are passing through on it. But see, go to that comment section, you will still see them. I'm copying Olivia, I'm copying Olivia, I'm copying Olivia. I was like, I used to watch Olivia video. I never even see Olivia come to say any of our app will get problems. So how I even take copy her here? But it's just like they don't sample that kind of thing. Like it's really not fair. Because they don't get that hatred, they don't get that topic for their heart. Maybe the only way to defeat the attack for now with those things. I bet my sister address it, okay. They're not so okay, yes. They are doing their own, they are trying. Okay, they are doing it, they are trying. If they see what I do, say they like them. That means they appreciate me. You know, if there's people to do what you do now. Many people they do something for this life. You know, they say you see person when do it you don't even consider this when this person do it. If example say I do this kind of thing. You know they easy, my sister. Forget anything, you know they easy. But when you see all those kind of things, what you have to do is okay, yes, I'm doing well. That is what you have to say to yourself. You are doing well. For you to see person that like what you do and try to do it on her own. You are doing well. So my sister, if it touch you to address it, you do, because it really matters. Okay, let's live with love. Let us not making things look as if we are fighting or we are having a limit. No, it's going to be best when all of us are. You come this person video because most of your video, if you see it, you can see my comment there. One thing I will never deny for any human being is congratulations. That is me. One thing I will never deny any human being is congratulations. Anything that you post that concerns congratulations in this life, no matter who you are, I must congratulate you because that is my number one thing I love in every human being. You can go your videos and check. So that is just it, my sister. Let's do what? Let's live as one. Make viewers, not make us look as enemy. Okay. All right, take care.